Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video we're going to talk about if we want to convert the GGive to GCash without the GPO. So let me be clear from the start. It is not possible to directly convert GGives to GCash balance without going through the GPO, which is GGive payments option, or even paying it properly. Because GGive or GGives is a loan/credits products from GCash, not an e-wallet. So what you're really asking is how to move money from your GGive loan into your GCash wallet. And that can only be done through some legitimate methods. So can you do it? The short answer is no. GGives, of course, lets you buy items now and pay later in installments. It's not like a cash loan, so you can't just withdraw it directly on your GCash or bank. So you'll have to go through some legit alternatives to convert GCash to GGives, an example, to GCash. Since GGive itself can't go straight into your wallet, you'll be able, an example, to try and buy load or even e-gift cards. You can use the GGive, an example, or GGives to purchase some prepaid load, vouchers, or even gift cards from GCash partners. And then you'll be able to resell them or use them for daily expenses. This is indirectly frees up your cash as well. Also, you'll be able to do some shop with essential. You'll be able to pay bills, buy groceries, or even pay online purchases using the GGives. This way, you don't need to spend your actual GCash balance, leaving it free for cash use. And also, if you want, you can use the G loan instead. If you truly need cash in your GCash wallet, apply for G loan, separate from the GGives. G loans will deposit some funds directly into your GCash balance, unlike GGives, but it probably will come with interest later. So I would avoid it because it's not good. Interest will always get you down, so try to avoid it and go make a loan from one of your friends that will not get you interest. So why you can't skip the GPO? Because GGives installments must always be paid via the official method, which is GPO, system inside GCash. Skipping it or finding hacks can block your account and affect your credit score. Keep that in mind. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.